Welcome back to the Bonifay Country Club. I'm Ken Ezell with Ezell Clifton Golf Design Group. And what we have today is the start of the culmination of all the other ancillary elements of the golf course starting to be put together. Our infrastructure that we've been talking about is pretty much complete on these golf holes. We've built the golf tees, we've sodded around them, done some laser level grading, so that there's just a slight pitch from the front to the back of each one of the tees for drainage. Also to give the golfers a little bit of uplift hitting the golf ball. One of the next steps as we go, once we have all the infrastructure in, is to go ahead and put the cart paths in. And you can see how the cart path is winding around the lakes, getting close to the tees, and then moving across the fairway over towards the recreation trail that's on 466A. You can see a lot of the palm trees that we've put in between the 6th and the 7th hole to act as a separation, to tighten up the 7th fairway. You can see a lot of our oaks and magnolias. These are all strategically placed to take and frame the golf holes. If you look in the background here, you can see sod around the tee tops. We've actually taken and come in and put sprigs down and cut these sprigs in. The sprigs are actually sod that's actually grown up very, very high over a period of time, and they actually pull this out of the ground so that there's enough roots and enough leaf surface to take and spread this out. On these particular tees, we do this by hand labor, shaking it out to get to about 20 bushels and 1,000 square feet. In the background, you can see our machine planter working. And what we've done there is taken and pulled enough of the grass so that we're putting out about 800 bushels of 419 Tifway Bermuda grass per acre, and machine planting that with this conveyor belt that's actually taking and putting it on the ground, and then the tiller takes and comes in and slices it in as it's taking and going. You can see that the irrigation system is operating. We're wetting these sprigs in to increase their viability. We'll do this about every hour on the hour for the first day, and then start to take and do it every other hour during the daylight so that it takes and doesn't dry out. So we try to keep the roots moist so that they take and get a good establishment and then start to take and spread across the top. This process is the first part of about a 4 to 5 month period of time for us to take and grow this grass in. This is what we call the grow-in period after the grass is planted. This is where we're almost becoming grass farmers, getting it to a completion where you guys can get out and play and enjoy the golf course. We hope you've enjoyed this segment. We'll see you next time.